Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with another look, and today I am recreating Rosé's iconic APT hairstyle in her MV. It's so cute. Rosé is actually my bias in Blackpink, and if you know me, you know I'm a massive Blink, and I love her. I feel like as soon as I saw the music video, I was in love, and I thought her hairstyle was so cute, so I definitely wanted to recreate it, and this is kind of what I came up with. My hair is really like long and thick, so I tried to fit all my hair into two cute buns, and I don't know if it's like that accurate to the way she did it, but if you want to see how I achieved this look, definitely keep watching. But before we get started, I wanted to quickly shout out today's sponsors. Thank you to Tokyo Treats and Sakura Co for sponsoring today's video. I get so excited every single time these show up at my doorsteps because I literally look forward to them every single month. Tokyo Treats is a monthly fun and exclusive Japanese snack box filled with exciting and unique snacks straight from Japan. Each box is filled with a variety of full-size Japanese snack items, including limited edition Kit Kats, unique flavored chips, and even sometimes sodas that are only available in Japan for a limited time. And this box's theme is Osaka Snackathon. I love Osaka so much. Look how filled to the brim this box is. It is literally so cool. Everything looks so delicious. I cannot wait to rummage through this box. What the heck, I'm so excited. Everything looks so yum, and I don't think I've actually like seen or tried any of these. Osaka has like some of the best food that I've ever had in Japan, so I'm so excited to dig into this box. And of course they even come with like a little pamphlet filled with all the information about the different snacks in each box. They even have like a section for like allergies and stuff like that in case you might be allergic to anything, which I love. All the little information. I cannot wait to rummage through this, and my family and friends always get so excited every single time my box arrives at my doorstep. And of course we can't forget about the Sakura boxes. Look how gorgeous this box's art is. I'm obsessed. It's so pretty. Sakura is a monthly artisan Japanese snack box that works with local snack makers. They have up to 20 traditional authentic artisan snack items, including Japanese teas and a Japanese tableware item, which I look forward to every single month. I literally love it, and this box is actually a little special because they are collaborating with Ishikawa Prefecture to help them with the recovery of the earthquake that happened there earlier this year. So I literally love that. Definitely pick up a box this month to help them achieve their goals in their mission. So cute. And of course this box's theme is the heart of Ishikawa. I've never been to Ishikawa before, but this literally looks so beautiful. I really want to visit. Every single time I like see different parts of Japan, it just makes me miss it so much, and I cannot wait to go back. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy all the amazing snacks that Japan has to offer from the comfort of my home. I cannot wait to try these. I swear Sakura literally curate the best boxes. They do work with local snack makers, so you know that all the snacks that they have are super good. I love it because I find it really hard sometimes to like kind of know what to get from different places, especially like the more traditional kind of snacks. So I love that Sakura curate the best ones in one box that I can try from the comfort of my home. I love it. Definitely feel free to pick up your own box today. I will leave a link down in the description bar below if you want to check out Sakura or Tokyo Treats, or you can use my discount code at checkout, which is just ARENA. But let's get on to the rest of the video. Hi, so my hair is really straight at the moment, and I'm gonna start by sectioning it off and curling it because Rosé's hair is like really cute and curly in the MV. I'm actually really bad at curling my hair, and I have this device. I haven't used this in ages, and I'm gonna see if I can get a tighter curl with this than I can with the straightener. What is this? This is the VS Sassoon Smooth and Wave. I used to have one of these ages ago, and I used to use it to curl my hair, but I haven't used this one in a while just because I don't think I liked the type of curl it gave me. But let's see. I have to do really small sections to get my hair as curly as I want it to be, because I feel like in the MV her hair is really curly. So I'm gonna work with like really small sections, and I actually have pretty thick hair, so I have a lot of hair. I feel like this might take me a while, so I will speed through this part. I'm just gonna scrunch them after I curl them so they kind of keep the wave. So now that the bottom section is curled, I'm gonna go ahead and curl the top. I'm gonna split my hair down the middle and just kind of continue the same thing that I did at the bottom with the top section. So my hair is all curled. Honestly, I feel like the curls are already dropping, but I'm gonna split my hair into 2 sections, and I just have a few bobby pins and hair ties. So I'm gonna grab a hair tie. I'm just gonna split my hair down the middle just like that, and I'm gonna keep the front pieces out, maybe like a bit of that, and I'm gonna do a little bun. So kind of just like this. My hair's really long, so I have a little piece sticking out, but I will deal with that in a bit. I think I'm going to secure the other side first. My front pieces are really long. I feel like hers might be a little shorter, and mine are also a little thicker, so I think I'm going to try and tie back a little more. And grabbing the rest of my hair, I'm going to do the same thing and tie a mini low pigtail. And create a mini bun. I feel like the black that I'm wearing doesn't show like my hair. Like I feel like it's blending in with my hair a little bit, but I wanted to wear black because she wears black. But you can see my bra straps, just ignore that. I think I'm going to wrap this excess hair that I have around the pigtail and kind of just secure it with a little bobby pin, just to kind of hide, just so it's like a little bun. I have a video on my channel from like ages ago where I did like space buns, but I did like the half up half bun like pigtail space buns. But I'm gonna do the same thing where I'm just gonna like drag random pieces of this bun and start bobby pinning it. I feel like it just gives it like a really cute spiky effect, and like when you have long hair, I feel like this is a really cute way to kind of give your bun a little bit more texture. So I'm just gonna go and like secure it in random areas and kind of hope it like puffs it up a little bit. And I'm pulling like random pieces from the bun into like different areas, so it looks kind of like cute and fluffy. Kind of like that. I feel like the curls give it like a little bit more volume, which is super cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, wrapping the excess hair around the bun and securing it with a little bobby pin. I'm gonna try and match it to the other side, so I'm gonna like grab this piece here. Ooh. I feel like the messier you get, sometimes the better it looks. So with the excess parts that are sticking out, I'm gonna just like pin them in some random areas. So I feel like I want to pull this bit up a little bit. And I'm gonna tug out some pieces that I want to like come out a little bit more, so it looks more like fluffy and round. I think I'm happy with how fluffy each side is, but I think I'm gonna fix my front pieces because I don't think she has as much. Like, I think hers are a lot thinner. I think mine are a bit too thick. So I'm gonna go and pull out 2 thin ones, and I'm gonna pin these ones back because I think it's just way too thick. I'm using like a lot of bobby pins, so definitely feel free to just go crazy on the bobby pins. I feel like the longer your hair is, the more you're gonna have to like pin down. But this look is so cute. I'm obsessed. It's actually adorable. So this is the completed hairstyle. I think it turns out really cute. Honestly, it's so adorable. I feel like if you have longer hair, you're probably gonna have to like pin down a lot of pieces, but I feel like once your hair is like curly, it's so easy just to like create a little bun and just like go crazy with the bobby pins. It's so cute. I love when she wears her hair like this. I think it's actually so adorable. And of course, Stream Uppercut. I love Rosie so much. She's my bias. I'm so proud of her. But I'm glad that I could recreate this look. I don't know how accurate it is to hers, but I think it still turns out pretty cute. So I hope you guys liked this video. And of course, if you want to support me and my channel, definitely feel free to check out Tokyo Treats and Sakura code down below, or use discount code ARENA at checkout. But I'll see you guys in the next one.